Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce easily at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of whole milk. These basic components are the foundation for a rich and versatile sauce. Having everything measured and ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The secret to a great white sauce begins with a perfect roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat until it's fully liquid. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth, thick paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step cooks out the raw flour taste and develops a lovely, nutty aroma. Now let's transform our roux into a creamy sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, adding just a small amount at first while whisking vigorously. This gradual addition and constant whisking are key to preventing lumps. Continue to whisk as you add the remaining milk, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. The sauce will visibly thicken as it heats, becoming wonderfully smooth. Finally, it's time to season our delicious white sauce. Stir in about a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of classic flavor, add a small pinch of ground nutmeg. It truly elevates the sauce. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your homemade white sauce is now ready to enhance countless dishes, from macaroni and cheese to creamy vegetable bakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.